This video shows a terrified woman in a bathrobe holding her small dog, who looks just as scared. Her fear is understandable. She had been taking a bath when she heard footsteps downstairs. Two burglars had entered her home. She climbed out a window and called her husband, who was at work 30 minutes away.
Jake! Jake!
What's going on?
Call the police!
Call the police?
I was in the bath. I thought you were home. Someone brought her back to where these two guys walked in. I begged them not to hurt the kids.
Just before that, she had tucked her two young sons into bed. Now she was alone in the house, scared and unsure what to do. Her only lifeline was the Ring camera.
Both of them stormed in. They were dressed in head to toe, all black. They were both wearing ski masks. The only thing I could see were their eyes from the slit that they had. I was fully naked. I stood up and I said, "Take whatever you want, just don't touch my babies. Here's my purse. Do not touch my babies." Just praying with every ring that he would pick up, because that was really my only chance to get help.
Her husband, shocked and panicked, called the police right away. Officers rushed to the house.
And also hear her through the Ring doorbell camera. It was absolutely terrifying just seeing her reaction, her overall demeanor. I just knew something was horribly wrong.
Thankfully, the men were caught and her sons were unharmed. This is one of the many moments where a Ring camera may have truly saved lives. This unsettling video was uploaded by TikTok user Ticklebomb69. Real name: Anastasia Bieber. Anastasia was home alone at her parents' house when she got notification someone was at the door. What she saw left her deeply shaken.
Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Call Erica. Let me in.
In the footage, two strange women appear. One of them stares into the camera, almost like she's trying to reach Anastasia. Her face twists as she leans closer, looking desperate and unwell. There's something seriously wrong about her. Who were they? What did they want? Anastasia had never seen them before. If you have any idea, leave it in the comments. Luckily, she didn't open the door. This footage was captured in Dallas at 4:30 a.m. It shows a disturbing man with a grim expression asking an elderly woman if she could light his broken cigarette.
What the f you knocking on the door for?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a
What?
message, you can do it now.
Bullshit! The f you want?
Does anybody can have a light for a cigarette?
Man, get your ass out the motherfucking porch! Get your ass out my porch! Doorbell for a lighter. What's wrong with you?
The woman's son, who had access to her security camera, said the man had been sitting in a parked car nearby. He lingered at the door for too long. The son later said he was ready to use his gun, but thankfully it didn't come to that. This video comes with a warning. It contains images of violence. It was recorded about 20 miles outside Los Angeles and shows a woman crying for help. A man runs up and kidnaps her.
races up to a neighbor's door. Will someone help her? Out of the darkness, this guy appears and grabs her by the hair. He drags the woman off the porch. Her screams ring out as the struggle goes on. Then the guy delivers a grim warning.
The family living in the house gave the footage to the police. Investigators identified the man as Robert Mendez. He had taken the woman and was keeping her in a house just across the street. Thankfully, because of the doorbell camera, she was rescued. She survived with bruises and a lifetime of trauma. Let's be grateful she was saved. In this disturbing footage, a woman is seen walking alone at 3 a.m., drawing the attention of the suspicious man.
Why are you bothering me?
He blocks her path with his car. Thankfully, police arrived shortly after, but there's no update on whether the man was caught. This video comes from Alaska. A barefoot woman walks up to the door around 1 a.m., acting like she belongs there. She doesn't knock, just stands there calmly. The homeowner has no idea who she is.
Hi. It's just me. I'm sorry, my feet are starting to hurt again. It's been a long way. Probably look different now, but I'm excited to see you.
Honestly, it's strange. She doesn't even look cold, and it's Alaska. It's likely she was under the influence of something. We don't know what she wanted, but seeing this on a security camera would be disturbing. Always lock your doors. In this video, we see a young woman and a man walking together. The woman looks uncomfortable, likely after a date. She pretends that the house they stop at is hers, hoping the man will leave.
And then I will see you in like literally tomorrow night. Are you okay tomorrow night? Yeah. Okay, so go with them and it'll be okay, okay? Yeah. Okay. No. I want you to go inside, okay? I want you to go. Okay, goodbye. Thank you. I appreciate you, okay? No, I want you to go, okay? I want you to go. And because I really, it's not you. I just don't feel.
That stalker tried to get inside her house. Luckily, it's not even her house.
Okay, I'm sorry that I'm here. There's this guy. We don't want you to know her. Okay, hold on.
Eventually, he walks away. Later, the woman explains how uneasy she felt. Thankfully, nothing bad happened. But if he had known where she really lived, things could have ended differently. Always stay alert and trust your instincts. This video was captured by TikTok user Anthony Winner, who has over 1 million followers. In the clip, Anthony and his girlfriend leave their home. Just 10 minutes later, a man appears at the door, holding what looks like a baby. But it wasn't. He tries to get in, but the door and windows are locked. Police later said that the baby was fake. No other details were given, and we can only hope nothing else happened. This video shows a suspicious young woman ringing the doorbell of a 72-year-old woman who lives alone. See for yourself.
I don't know if you're seeing this. My name is. You can write it down. I'm a girl. I'm missing right now. I'm trying to get back to my best friend's house.
We'll be right there.
House.
What do you want?
Okay. My name is. I don't know if you've ever heard of my name, and I'm on. The only thing I've been on is, and I promise you that you can.
You go to the house.
If you don't believe me,
Listen. Can you go to the house?
I'm trying to get.
The young woman whimpers and begs for help. She seems to be under the influence of something. Her tone grows more desperate, and the elderly woman almost opens the door.
I'm trying to.
Listen to me.
I'm sorry. I'm so.
Listen to me. Go to the house.
I'm so sorry if I woke you guys up. If you want me to leave, I can. My house is just down there, and I don't feel safe walking because multiple men have stopped by and honked at me, and I don't know what the.
Go to the house next door. Go next door. Don't go to my house.
Okay.
Go next.
Maybe the girl truly needed help, but people sometimes use that to get inside. Thankfully, the woman stayed cautious. There were other houses nearby she could have gone to. This video was posted on TikTok by Caitlin Curtis, who often shares clips of her life with her young son. Her doorbell camera caught a strange man standing outside at 3 AM. He looked tense, nervous, maybe even dangerous. At the time, Kat was home alone with just her son. In a caption, she said this was the same man who had approached her in a park 3 days earlier. She didn't know who he was or why he came to her house, whether his intentions were harmless or not. Whether his intentions were harmless or not, it's scary and a reminder to stay alert around people who act this way. This footage was captured in the US by a user who chose to stay anonymous. It shows a suspicious man walking near a home, carefully looking around, as if he's planning to break in. The night is cold, silent, and eerie, the perfect cover for something dark. At one point, the man puts down a shovel, then walks straight to the backyard without trying the front door. The footage was sent to police, but it's unclear if anything was stolen or damaged. Thankfully, the homeowner was not harmed. This video was recorded and posted by a woman named Della Devson at 4:15 in the morning. Her Ring camera alerted her to someone outside. When she checked the footage, she was shocked. A woman was staring through her glass, acting strangely and possibly under the influence. If you live in an area where strangers sometimes wander, and you don't have a Ring camera, you might not realize what's really happening at night. In this case, luckily, nothing bad happened. This video captures something truly chilling. A young woman returning home, unaware that she's being followed. Two men rush toward the door and try to get in, but thankfully it's locked. We can hear her screaming from inside the house. The man gets spooked and run off into the night. Luckily, she locked the door just in time. People like this are monsters. Always lock your doors. This video is from San Leandro. A strange man shows up at a family's door around 6 a.m. The family was already awake. He looks oddly familiar, but no one knows who he is.
I want your house.
Get out of here. I called the cops.
Came through the front door yet.
Cops on the way.
I'm coming through the front door.
Even as the homeowners yelled at him to leave and said police were coming, he tried to unlock the door with a strange-looking key. Of course, it didn't work. If someone like this ever rings your doorbell, especially without a shirt, do not open the door. He looked dangerous, like he hadn't slept in days. This chilling video was recorded around 3 a.m. in a home where a woman and her young son were sleeping. See for yourself. Later that day, around noon, the same man knocked on her door, but when she checked the footage, she was horrified. He had been lurking inside her house for hours before that. This happened in the Las Vegas area, and people are still searching for him. If you see this man, report him immediately. This footage from Corpus Christi, Texas, reveals a dark truth. The video shows two men carrying out a carefully planned break-in while the homeowners were away. If you live in an area where this happens often, a security camera might be essential. There's little information about this video from San Leandro. Around 2 a.m., a man rang the doorbell after watching the house for a while. A woman was inside. alone. He stood at the door for nearly an hour before finally leaving. His intentions are still unknown, but the situation was deeply unsettling. This video was recorded in Charlotte. It shows two suspicious people, a girl and a guy, who seems to be holding something in his pocket, possibly a gun. The girl looks nervous and her legs are visibly shaking. It seems like she's trying to get the homeowner to open the door, while the man stands quietly in the background.
It's Mimi!
In many videos like this, we only see one person, usually a girl who seems to be harmless. It can feel wrong not to help her, but you never know who else might be hiding nearby. Always be careful, and let us know in the comments what you think. Thank you so much for watching this far. I would like to offer you subscribing to this channel, so we can maybe see each other again sometime. If you still haven't had enough, here are some similar videos you can check out. I'm Bart from Boben Kravin, and so hopefully see you next time.